So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you're watching ENK Learning Hub. In the last video, we have discussed that how to do segments and the unique products for the segment. So now in the follow-up, so what we are doing? Which segment had the most increase in unique products in 2021 versus 2022? So there will be some unique products in 2020 as well as in 2021. So there could be differences, right? So in this year, there will be some more products, unique products, and then by next year they could be they will not be buying some products, right? Unique products. So there is this could happen, or else they introduce some new products, right? So there will be changes in new products every year. So we are trying to find these things. Okay. So let us start solving this. So how we can solve? So as we need a segment as well as physical year, right? Physical year. So let us see this model. So we need segment which is in DIM product table, and then we need physical year and it is in fact gross price table. So let us start coding this. So first with CTE as so select from DIM product as DIM product as D, left join fact gross price. That was as a on which condition? So D dot product code which is equals to F dot product code. So this is one. So now we got info. We have some info. Let us take out the columns. So I need segment, right? So D dot segment, comma. I need product code to D dot product code, and then product code, and then I need segment as well as product code, and then physical year F dot physical year. So let us have this first thing. Now CTE1 as. So what is the purpose of the CTE1? So I need one particular column. I need one particular column which is the segment as well as unique products in the year 2020 only. So I need this. So what I am doing? So select from CTE, select from CTE where physical year is equals to 2020, and then I am grouping, right? As I need distinct product count for the group, right? Group by segment. For each segment I need, right? So and then segment, comma, count of distinct of product code as count 2020. So this is one of my query. So with this query, what I can achieve is I can achieve all the products, all the unique products in the year 2020 based on the segment. So I can repeat this. For 2021 also, right? Control C. So let us rename it CT2 for 2021. So now let us select from. So let us join these two tables. CTE1 as well as CTE2. So from CTE1 and left join CTE2 on segment on CTE1 dot segment is equals to CTE2 dot segment. Now what are the things required? I need segment CTE1 dot segment, and then CTE1 dot unique, count 2020, right? The name 2020 CTE2 dot count 2021 And then I need difference, right? I need difference. So right, count 2020 minus count 2021. So these are all the required columns for me. So let us try running this. Yes. Okay. There is some. Okay, fine. Here, you see here. Count 2020, right? So let us run that. So you can see here. Here, let us take accessories. In the accessories, there were 69 unique products in the year 2020. And then when it comes to 2021, there were 103 products. So there was increase in products, increase in unique products. So and then for the same as desktop, there were only 7 in 2020, and then it becomes 22 products in 2021. So the same with networking. So 6 and 9. So as there are here, let us change like this. 21 minus 2020. So you will get positive values. You can get positive values. So from 2020 to 2021, every segment there were some increase in or else add up of new products. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.